many people are on the other side?
And the building people.
How many people are on our side?
Behind you too.
We should all do the best. In the year of the horse, may your business grow as fast as a galloping horse, and may your family be as strong and healthy as a milking horse.
Wishing us both.
Join from
Year of the horse.
Wishing you success, progress, and a bright year ahead. Stay wealthy, stay healthy, stay happy. Happy year of the horse.
May the year of the horse bring you momentum, success, and new opportunities.
Wishing you health, happiness, and smooth sailing every day in the year of the horse.